Welcome to my channel, guys. My channel name is a 75 English Speaking Challenge. So today topic is Indian politics, and we discuss on it. And today our ninth day of English Speaking Challenge. So guys, Indian politics. First of all, I want to tell you about the Indian politics nowadays. In our India, Narendra Modi's government run the country. So and he's from his party of BJP. So first of all, I will tell you about I want to tell you about politics. Politics is when we heard something politics. So when the first thing is come, like politicians are very fraud and corrupted. It's people's thinking, because in our movies we can see people are used to show image of politician very wrong way, but nothing like that. According to me, politicians are also educated, but some politicians are not well educated, so that these 2 and 3% of politicians, so we judge, the people judge whole the politicians politicians nature, yeah, you can say the character. So everybody thinking like this. So I don't think people should think like this, because we are the responsible person of our country. So we need to be believe on politicians. If we not believe in politicians, so how will we improve our evaluation our development of something. So yeah, it's not good for us, because if we will win a person who is a little bit not a little bit educated. It's a well educated person, so that's why he became a politician. But nowadays people are not but other thing, I also support this, because I show many time this kind of thing. Like politicians have a 3 5 evils. So they they beaten others, because sometime if somebody speak against politicians, so the politician man said to their boys go and hit him, yeah, beat him. So that time they used to beat him, and yeah, they immune to, they addict to, because there's a work only, the politician only appoint these boys for beating others. You get it. So that time politician did wrong. Yeah, I totally agree with peoples, because people are saying good, but sometime politicians are good, because according to me, like if you see, Narendra Modi is a very good prime minister I ever seen. Because if you see Dr. Mohan kuch something, I don't her name, I don't our ex prime minister. So yeah, Manmohan Singh, Dr. Manmohan Singh, now I get it. So Manmohan Singh is a kind of a like a Katputli, because whenever Manmohan Singh whenever Manmohan Singh went another country, so that Indira Gandhi, not Indira Gandhi, a lady also go with him. So she takes the decisions, she take took the decisions of any kind of situation. Yeah, so it's a very crucial for everyone. मतलब it's a wrong, totally wrong, because the if a prime minister of who is the prime minister of India, so only he have a rights to take the decision. So yeah, it's a totally wrong. So yeah, Indian politics need to be improved, because in our politicians pol- politics system, it's not a good like we are a democratic country, so that people that's why people are very in our country we need to make some strict rule against crime, and against steal, and against steal, and against rape cases, because nowadays politicians boys are raped some girls, and they burn the girl, and because the girl from a poor family, so they unable to take any kind of action against that boy. So yeah, it's a very difficult situation that time, because I many time I read about this new in news. So yeah, I I I have some knowledge about this kind of topics. Yeah, but uh, like if you see in our society, people are not taking things seriously. Like if I'm living in a city, so here's a no in my society, people are not how to say, matlab nahi hai, they don't care about others. So yeah, they only focus on themselves. So it not happen, because it may be not happen, शायद नहीं होना चाहिए ये. So it's totally wrong, and maybe we are humans, so we we should help each other. So guys, I take 77 minutes class, and I finish this. I want to finish this, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. Good night.